I'm Catherine Grainger, and I'm a Master Facilitator at the Presentation Company. And I joined TPC in January 2024 from 3M, where I'd spent 23 years working at 3M, latterly as Development and Education Manager for the EMEA region. I'd always had a passion for storytelling, and I used to train groups of marketing and sales teams at 3M on storytelling and presentation skills. So when I saw this role advertised at the Presentation Company, it was perfect, and I had no hesitation in applying.
That's amazing. I love it when synergy happens like that, and you can take your experience and then what you're passionate about and put them together. That's just fantastic. So how would you describe your experience as you join the ranks of these world-class facilitators?
Well, I joined in January 2024 at the same time as my colleague Juicy, who is another facilitator for the Presentation Company. And we were brought on board as European facilitators to join the well-established team of, as you say, world-class facilitators at the Presentation Company. And I think two things really stood out for me. Firstly, the onboarding experience, which has been really great, very comprehensive in terms of the training and the resources, but also space for us facilitators to add our own magic and our own personal touch.
Wonderful.
And secondly, it kind of felt like we were joining a family at the Presentation Company where everyone looks out for each other and also everyone celebrates each other's successes. And the other facilitators have been really warm and generous in sharing their hints and tips and their experience because they've been training on storytelling for years and years between them. So really felt like joining a family here at TPC.
I love hearing that. That's how I felt when I joined the company. I joined almost 4 years into my tenure here, and I still feel that way every single day. So I love that you're feeling that as well. That's fantastic. So here's a question for you. What surprised you the most about facilitating workshops for TPC?
I think it's that unique combination of concepts, so storytelling concepts, but also really practical tools that learners can start to use immediately. And we get them working with these tools in each of our workshops to build that confidence. And we also get them to coach each other so they can really see what good and even best looks like. So I think it's that combination of concepts plus really hands-on practical tools and experience.
Our product development team will love hearing this. Absolutely. Thank you. So here, this might be a little bit of a trick question, but do you have a preference over virtual or face-to-face?
Well, I'm going to book the trend here because I think when you ask that question to most facilitators, they say face to face. And I agree that you can't beat that kind of connection and that chemistry that you get when you're in the room, in the actual training room with your learners. But I also love virtual training. And I think we've got a brilliant format for virtual training at the Presentation Company that keeps the learners engaged through interactivity, breakout rooms, videos, exercises, coaching. It's this really multimodal approach. And when you've got learners who are that engaged with their cameras on, for me, it's just as rewarding and interactive as actually being in the room together.
That's wonderful to hear. I felt that way as well, taking these workshops when I first joined the company, but it's lovely to hear that that's still going on. That's fantastic. So what inspires you when you're in front of the classroom, whether it be virtual or live? What inspires you as you lead these workshops?
I think it's probably that group coaching element, because group coaching is a big part of our workshops at the Presentation Company, because we want the results of our training to outlive the workshop time itself. Sure. So we give learners lots of opportunities to coach each other, and that really locks in the concepts. And when I hear learners coaching each other and yes, celebrating each other's great work, but also constructively criticizing each other's storytelling sometimes as well. That's so inspirational to me and so rewarding because they're getting it and they're really getting that practical experience.
Yeah, my favorite thing is getting onto LinkedIn after a workshop when somebody actually expands on their experience when they post their certification. It's just
Yeah.
so lovely. They talk about the facilitator, they talk about the coaching, they talk about how they're going to use it. And it's just wonderful to see people get excited. It's so great for my heart to see that. I love it.
Absolutely. Yeah.
All right, I have one final question, and this might be a little difficult to pick because you've been doing this now for a while. But is there one favorite moment or two favorite moments that have stood out for you during this year and a half?
Oh, that's a good question. And I'm going to pick two extremes there. So my first favorite moment was actually the first time that I facilitated our
Ooh,
crafting strategic visual stories course. And it was with a small group from Meta. And I delivered this course, and at the end I'd asked for some feedback via a feedback survey. And I admitted and said, guys, this is the first time I've actually delivered this training. So thank you for being such a great group. And they said, no way. We thought you'd been doing it for years. We actually commented on this in our breakout rooms and said, Catherine is so smooth. Yeah, but she's been doing this for years. So that was when I knew this was something quite special. And I knew that I loved delivering this training. And I think the second one is a very recent experience, I think 2 weeks ago, where I was working with another group, and one of the guys commented that this was the best training experience he'd had in 16 years at this
whoa.
company. And he'd been so inspired that he'd actually ordered another 25 copies of our book, Everyday Business Storytelling, because he was so, loved the content, loved all the concepts, and that was really special as well. And I think, for me, this content doesn't get old because A, it's such great content, and B, it's so interactive, and you never know how the group's going to react and which bit really resonates. You get something different each time. So really, really rewarding.
That is wonderful. Thank you, Catherine, so much for your insights. This was such a fantastic few minutes together. I really appreciate your time.
Thanks, Rachel. My pleasure.
Take care.